but you look like 25.
24. Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Ilang ka bot?
What are you doing now?
Yeah.
Are you
What?
at college now?
Nope. I'm grade 12.
So, how old are you?
17?
17.
Yes.
But
17.
you look like 25.
24. Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Ilang ka bot?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Shihab. What's your name?
My name is Glacy.
Sorry.
Glacy. Glacy.
I don't understand.
Glacy.
Glycine?
You don't understand. Yeah. That's my name.
That's great.
Yes.
Are, are you Christian?
The back. Yeah.
That's great.
Adventist.
I'm Muslim.
Hmm?
I'm Muslim. What time is it now?
It's 9:47 here. AM.
9:47 a.m.
Yeah.
in the morning. Yeah, that's great. 7:47 a.m. in the morning. Do you have boyfriend?
Yeah.
You have.
I have.
That's great. Can you follow me?
Mm, okay.
Okay.
Follow back.
Yeah, okay. I also follow by you.
Follow me. I'm going to follow back.
Okay. So, bye bye.